Hello everyone, my name is Nasrullah. I'm from Faculty of Language and Culture, especially English Study Program. I'm here to share some of the etiquette that exists in the company where I worked before. The first one is paying on time. It seems that not only in the company where I work, but almost all in any company or activity requires us to be on time. The second one is wearing clothes according to the division. Because I am in the maintenance and repairing division, I'm required to wear a wearpack. The third one is to use APD or PPE according to the level of occupational hazard to ensure ketika or safety at work, namely occupational health and safety. In Indonesian Kesehatan, keselamatan, kerja. As seen in the picture, I use PPE or APD when grinding and remove PPE or APD when finished or resting. And the shoes I use are also anti-grounding safety shoes so that I'm not exposed to electrical attack when doing electrical maintenance. Now, we move to social etiquette. The first is to smile, greet, and say hello. I believe this is a common thing to do wherever we are. And finally, I would like to share how we report to our supervisor or division head. The prohibition of using caps lock must be considered because using caps lock when sending an email letter or a message to our supervisor has a negative meaning. It can be interpreted that caps lock is a form of shouting from us reading. So anti-grounding safety shoes so that I am not. See, I didn't get an electric shock because I only put in one hole and I was on the sofa, so my body was not grounded to the ground. Just acknowledge. Good work. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nasrullah. I'm from Faculty of Language and Culture, especially English Study Program.